Join me as I dive into Elon Musk's shocking interview and try to uncover the hidden AI secrets he reveals. Today, I want to talk about a recent interview with Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, and one of the most influential figures in the tech industry. His thoughts on AI have sparked intense discussions and debates, and today, we're going to dive into some of the most pressing concerns surrounding AI advancements. One of the key concerns is the potential risk of AI surpassing human intelligence, leading to unintended consequences. Musk has warned about the dangers of creating autonomous machines that are beyond our control. He's also highlighted the need for ethical considerations in AI development, ensuring that these systems align with human values and goals. Musk has suggested that a universal basic income could be a potential solution to this problem. Furthermore, there's a growing concern about AI bias, where these systems perpetuate and even amplify existing social inequalities. He's also advocated for an AI framework that prioritizes transparency, accountability, and human oversight. With the rapid advancement of AI technologies, it's crucial that we have these conversations today to ensure a safe and beneficial future for humanity. Musk has been vocal about the need for regulations in AI development, emphasizing that we need to be proactive in addressing these concerns, rather than reactive. He's also advocated for an AI framework that prioritizes transparency, accountability, and human oversight. With the rapid advancement of AI technologies, it's crucial that we have these conversations today to ensure a safe and beneficial future for humanity. In the interview, Musk shared some fascinating insights into specific AI technologies, including neural networks and reinforcement learning. He explained how these systems are designed to learn from data and adapt to new situations, but also highlighted the risks of these systems becoming unpredictable and uncontrollable. Musk also discussed his vision for responsible AI usage, including the need for human-centered design and rigorous testing before deployment. One of the most striking moments in the interview was when Musk revealed his concerns about the potential for AI to be used as a tool for surveillance and control. He highlighted the importance of decentralized systems and individual privacy in the face of increasingly sophisticated AI capabilities. Musk also predicted that AI could lead to a significant shift in the global power balance, with those controlling the AI systems holding unprecedented power and influence. Another surprising moment was when Musk talked about the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence in the near future. He warned that this could lead to unintended consequences, including the potential for AI systems to manipulate and control humans. Musk emphasized the need for urgent action to develop safeguards and ensure that AI systems align with human values and goals. The most impactful moment of the interview came when Musk revealed that he believes AI could pose an existential risk to humanity if not developed and used responsibly. He emphasized that this is not just a technical challenge, but an existential one that requires immediate attention and action. In summary, Elon Musk's interview highlighted the urgent need for responsible AI development and usage. He warned about the dangers of unchecked AI advancement and emphasized the importance of ethical considerations, human oversight, and regulations. Musk's warnings and recommendations are a call to action for all of us to become more aware of the potential risks and challenges associated with AI. What do you think about Musk's insights into AI? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about AI advancements, be sure to check out our video on the top AI trends to watch out for in the coming years.